Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to use Xbox Remote Play on your PC or Mac.
Step 1. Turn on your Xbox console and connect it to a fast Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. Step 2. On Xbox, go to Settings, Devices and Connections, Remote Features. Step 3. Turn on Enable Remote Features. Step 4. Make sure your controller is updated and paired with the Xbox. On PC, Windows Step 5. Download and open the Xbox app from Microsoft Store. Step 6. Sign in with the same Microsoft account used on Xbox. Step 7. Click console icon, Remote Play. On Mac. Step 5. Open a browser and go to xbox.com/play. Step 6. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Step 7. Select Remote Play and choose your console. Step 8. Connect your Xbox controller to PC/Mac, USB, or Bluetooth. Step 9. Start playing your Xbox games remotely.